Yo! I gotta do a starter to this thing. 3.6 liter 2014 Chrysler Town and Country. I don't know how anybody else is gonna get at this. This thing's buried really good. You can actually not see it under the car. It's up there. Oh, there's a piece of it. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, this thing's buried real good in this van. I don't see how I'm going to get it from the top, that's for sure. So I'm going to take some cradle and mounts off, and I think I'll be able to get at this from the bottom. 18 millimeter. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What the? Oh, I'm going to get some penetrant up here because it's not working. There's an open hole up here on top for the nut. So I sprayed some on top. I'll just keep working this back and forth until I get it out. Oh my God. Frickin' Chryslers, man, I tell ya. These people. Jesus, man. These are 16 millimeters. I tell you, these people build some serious crap. Pain in the ass. Only in 2014. If this gets any older, these will probably break. I can't believe they have an open hole up there for this. It just gets corroded. I don't want to break this bolt. If I break this, it's going to be trouble. These Chrysler guys are incredibly stupid. We're going to take these other 4 16 millimeters out back here because I know I can. Oh my God. Oil leaking all over the place. Well, guess what, folks? That bolt's a joke. I'm not going to take the chance of breaking it. I'm just going to swing this out of the way. Like that. Because it's stupid. And of course, always disconnect the negative terminal. Like so. I got 3 16 millimeters for this mount. And look at that, folks. I can see a starter now. That's an amazing story. A couple wires here I'm going to get off. They don't like to bolt their solenoid wires on for some reason. They got a flat connector on here that I got to unplug. It's in a bear of a spot, but I got it. And then this is a 13. I just might take that out after I get these 2 16 millimeters out. I think I'll try to get that wire out. It's all tied into everything. Jesus, man. What a freaking joke. Of course, they try to pull that out of the hole and it breaks because it's cheap Chrysler stuff. What no fun. I don't want to be pulling on all these other wires when I work on this starter, so I'm going to cut these zip ties off. It's just a solenoid wire. This thing's broke, so I'll just take it off. I got 15 millimeters on these starter bolts. Crapola. Starter bolts. This wire's a 13 millimeter. I'm taking it off. There, I got that off. Get these wires out of my way. Try this again. There it is. The junk is out. Look at this weeny little piece of crap. It's like tiny. The damn 4-cylinder starters are bigger than this thing. Okay, I got the new piece of cheesy. I actually tested the old starter. All you got to do is take a battery and hook jumper cables up to it and put the negative on the body of the starter, and then touch this post and this post. And if it's a good starter, it should engage and spin, and it didn't. I heard the solenoid kick in, the pull-in winding, but it didn't spin. And then I dropped it on the ground a couple of times, and it still didn't work. So I got a new one. I made him test it too, just so he could waste his time. I could watch the people waste their time testing the starter, just because it's fun. Okay. Putting this thing in should be a little less confusing than taking it out. There's an alignment pin you want to line up on this thing. There it goes. Okay, the moment of truth. Hey, the junk works. Okay, bye.